Prime Minister took very bold decisions even to ensure that we try to revive the economy. We take care of the shock that the country has received due to the setback on the economic front. And today I was very happy to hear Mr. Mallikarjuna when he said that the public sector banks, the private sector banks, the public sector undertakings and all other various stakeholders like Reserve Bank of India, etc., they are all taking care of ensuring that India, with its vast human resource and its vast experience and its vast potential, under the leadership of our Prime Minister, is able to bring back the economy on the right track and take it forward. And we can see that the fruits have started appearing. Prime Minister had taken bold decisions. We know about the Garib Kalyan packages. We know about the 20 lakh crore economic packages, which took almost 7 days for the Finance Minister to describe them to the whole country. So a lot of things have happened on the various fronts. The banking sector now has a very great role to play, because those who have suffered, they would certainly need help from the banking sector, and then that help has to be forthcoming in the simplest manner, without any difficulty, without any bottleneck. There has to be a people-friendly approach. This country can never forget the contribution of the banks. Today, when in this COVID pandemic, you have taken over your shoulders the responsibility of providing these masks and the sanitizers free to the people of India in almost all the districts. I think this is certainly a step which should be hugely welcomed by everyone. And as I said earlier, I wish to thank you to all your employees, and through your employees to all your customers. I wish to once again reiterate, as Health Minister of India, that there is no rocket science involved in preventing the disease from entering your body. If you take care of the basic precautions, which have been emphasized and reiterated and talked by the Prime Minister also on so many occasions by now, it's only about wearing this mask all the time, and it's about keeping a safe distance from others, and that's about 1 to 2 meters. You call it a social distance or a physical distance. And then just to, otherwise also we Indians are used to following all these precautions about hygiene and all. Our father of the nation used to say that it is keeping cleanliness is next to godliness. And the sanitation movement that was launched on the birthday of the father of the nation in 2014, it has yielded rich dividends, at least in the health sector, I can say. Because of those sanitation activities, a lot of parameters have improved in this country.